PO paper, first question number 53. 53. Approximations. What is the first value written? 24. Second term 6. 24 into 6. 144. Next, square root of 1,444. That will be written 38 plus 19.567. It is considered almost 20% of which value? 80. What is the 20% of 80? 1600. 144 plus 16. 160 plus 38. 198. It is nearby which one square? 14 square. Next question number 54. First priority 29.678. It is considered 30%. 149.457. 150 or 30% of 150. 45 plus 28.57% of which value? 112.456. Just it is considered 29% of 112. Okay, or just written 30% of 110. What is 30% of 110? 33 plus 155.5768. It will be written 156 divided by 12, almost 13 times plus 13. 13 plus 33, 46 plus 45 means 91. What is the nearby value? 90. Next question number 55. First one 254.67. It is considered 255 divided by 51. Almost how many times? 5 times. Okay. Second one 35% of which one? 200. What is the 35% of 200? 70. Next, square root of 526.567. It is considered 529. What is the nearest value? 23. 23% of 900. 23% of 900. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. 207. 23 into which one? 9. That will be 207. Total it is 277 plus 5. 282. What is the nearest value? 285. Next question number 56. What is the first value? 1213 plus 0.345. It is less than half or more than half? Less than half. That's why we are considered 1213. Next one 22.22% of which one? 170. It is also considered 22% of 170. Okay. What is the 20%? 34. 2%? 3.4. 34 plus 3.4. 37.4. Next 4095 divided by 16 divided by 6. 4095 divided by which one? 16 into 6. Okay. And here 16. First of all 16 2 the how much? 32. What is the remaining? 89. Almost 5 times. Again remaining 95. Means exactly 6 times. 6 how many times? 4 times. What is the remaining? 16. 16 means 2 times. More than 2 times or not? But less than 3 times. Just we are consider 3 times value or not? Because it is nearby 18 or not? Then consider 43. Minus 43 or plus 43? Minus 43. Plus 13 minus 43. Minus 30. Minus 30 plus 37. Plus 7. Total it is 1207. What is the nearest value? 1210. Next 57. First of all, left hand side negative, it will become right hand side positive or not? 89.565. It is almost considered 90. And here 209. Just wait. 0.565, 0.568. These two are adding, we are get the 1 or not? Okay. 89 plus 1. 90 plus 209. 299. That is right hand side value. Next. What is the remaining in left hand side? 4500 divided by 90 plus 3200 divided by 32. 90 almost 50 times 32 how many times? 100 times 50 plus 100 150. 150 here 299 exactly 2 times left hand side percentage, it will become right hand side into 2 into 100. 100 into 2, total it is 200. Next question number 58. First priority left hand side bracket value. First, what is the numerator value? 4200 divided by 50 plus 140 divided by 7. 7 how many times? 140. 20 times. 50 plus 20, 70. Something percentage means we return something by 100. And here numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros are cancelled. 7 how many times? Denominator 10 times. Numerator 6. That is equal to, what is the right hand side? 3600 we return 6 almost 600 times into how much? 10. What is the answer? 6000. Next 59. What is the first term? 1355 into which one? 5. 1355 into 5 means it is half of the 10 times value. What is the 10 times value? 13550. Half means it will be 13,550. Half means 6, 7, 7, 5. 6775 plus how much value? 126. 126 plus 161. Okay, 126 plus 161, total it is 287 minus 26% of which one? 160. What is the 25%? 40. And again we required 1%. What is the 1% value? 1.6. Then we are taken 42. Actually we are getting 41.6. That one we return 42. It is equal to something. First 87 minus 42. 45. 75 plus 45. End with 120. 20 return. Carry value 1. 67 plus 1. 68 plus 2 means 70. Total it is 7020. What is the nearest value? 7020. Question number 60. Square root of 5625. 75. 125% of which one? 640. What is the 100% value? 640. What is the 50% value? 320. 25% value? 160. Then 640 plus 160, that is 125%. Total it is 800 plus already here 75. Total it is 875. Square root of 625 means it is also 25 plus 20% of which one? 305. What is the 10%? 30.5. 20%? 61. 875 plus 25. 900 plus 61 means 960. Which one square? 31 square. Next, wrong number series. What is the half of the 7? 3.5 into half plus half. Next one into 1 plus 1. Next one into 1 and half plus 1 and half. 5 into 1 and half, 7.5 plus 1 and half means 9. Again 9 to 21 into 2 plus 2. 9 to the 18 plus 2 means it will be 20. But here value 21. What is the wrong number? 21. Next 62. What is the first one difference? 6. Second one 17. Next one 29. Next one 42. 42. And 6 and 17 difference 11. 17 and 29 12. 29 and 42 13. Obviously next one 14. 42 plus 14 56. 127 plus 56 183. But here value 178. What is the wrong number? 178. Next question number 63. 7, 9, 21 into 1 plus 2. Next 9 becomes 21 into 2 plus 3. Next one into 3 plus 4. Obviously next one relation into 4 plus 5. 67 into 4. Double again double. 67 double 134. Double means 268 plus 5 means it will be 273. What is the wrong number? 275. Next question number 64. 3 becomes 6 into 2. 6 becomes 15 into 2.5. 15 becomes 45 into 3. But next one into 3 and half. 45 3 times, 3 and half times how much? Just check the ratio. 15 3 is how much? 45. 45 into 3 and half. 45 into 3 and half. Into 2 into 2 and half into 3 into 3 and half. 45 into 3. 135. What is the half of the 45? 22.5. Total it is 157.5. 157.5. Suppose in place of 113 we return 157.5. Next one we return 4 times around. Means it will be more than 600 around. Means this one is not possible around. What is the last one difference? Last one difference. 2 20 2 around. Triple 2 around. What is the first one difference? 3. Second 9. 3 9. Next one 30. 3 becomes 9. 9 becomes 30. And 45 becomes 113. 68. Next year 113 and 243. 130. First triple 2 means it will be written 6 cube plus 6. 130 means 5 cube plus 5. 68 means 4 cube plus 4. Obviously here we return 3 cube plus 3 and here 2 cube plus 2 and first one 1 cube plus 1. What is the 1 cube plus 1? 2 means first one we return 2. Second one 2 cube plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 means 10. 3 plus 2 how much? 5. But here value 6. What is the wrong number? 6. 5 plus 10 15. What is the wrong number? 6. Next 65. 13 27 45 into 2 plus 1. Into 2 plus 1. 27 becomes 45. Into 2 possible? No. What is the first one difference? 14. Next one difference? 18. Next one difference? 72. Wait. 981 becomes 2925. It is exactly 3 times. And here also 3 times. And here also 3 times. And here also we return 3 times. But here 27. 981 into 3 means how much? 2700 plus 81 into 3 means 243. Total it is 2943 or 2943. In that we are subtracting minus 18 or plus 18? Minus 18. Next here also into 3. Triple 3 into 3 means it will be triple 9 or minus 18 or plus 18? Minus 18 means every value into 3 minus 18 or first one 13 into 3 39 minus 18 means 39 minus 18 21. If it is 21 or 21 into 3 how much? 63 minus 18 means 45. What is the wrong number? 27. Next question number 66. Question number 66. The number of chairs sold by store A is 40% more than the number of broken chair. Case letter given. Next, the number of chairs sold by store A is 40% more than the number of broken chairs in store C. And here A, B, C. How many stores are given? 3 stores. A, B and C. What the last line is given? The total number of chairs available in all the stores together was how much? 1920. And was equal to the which one? Sum of the chairs sold, unsold and broken in all the stores together. Means total chairs are split into 3 categories. One will be sold, another one unsold, next one broken. Okay. Then we return one is sold, another one unsold, next one broken. 3 categories are only one. 3 categories. Every store 3 categories. Total how many stores are there? 3 stores. What the last total how many total how many chairs are there? 1920. First of all, the respective ratio in the number of broken chairs in store B and C is how much? 6:5. Broken chairs in stores B and C is how much? 6:5. What the broken in store B? 6 parts. C 5 parts. 6 parts and 5 parts. What the previous line? The number of broken chairs in store C is 100 less than the number of chairs sold by store C. And here broken chairs in store C is 100 less than the which one? Sold by store C. Means sold value of store C is how much? 5 parts plus 100. 5 parts plus 100. Next, for the previous line, the number of chairs unsold in store A is 25% more than the number of broken chairs in store A. Number of chairs unsold in store A is 25% more than the broken in store A. Any relation for these 3 values? No. What is the starting line? What is the starting line? The number of chairs sold by store A is 40% more than the number of broken chairs in store C. What is the store C broken value? 5 parts. 40% more means total 7 parts. What is the 40% of 5? 2 parts. 5 plus 2 means 7 parts. That 7 parts are sold value of A. Next, what is the next line? And the number of broken chairs in store B is 20% less than the number of chairs sold by store C. Broken in store B is 20% less than the chairs sold by store C. Means 6 parts value compared to 5 parts plus 100. How much percent are lesser? 20% lesser. Okay. Means 20% less means 6 parts value we are consider 6 parts is 20% less than the which one? 5 parts plus 100 means written 80% of which one? 20% less means 80% of 5 parts plus 100, that is equal to how much? 6 parts. What is the 80% of 5 parts? 4 parts plus 80% of 100 means 80, that is equal to how much? 6 parts. 6 parts and 4 parts difference? 2 parts. 2 parts are 80. Every 1 part are 2 parts are 80. 1 part are 40. 6 and 4 difference 2 parts equal to 80 means what is the 1 part value? 40. Substitute the values. What is the 7 parts value? 280. Next, what is the 5 parts plus 100? 200 plus 100. 300. 300. Next, what is the 5 parts value? 200. 5 parts is 200. What is the 6 parts value? 240. 240. Next, what is the first line? First line already completed. Second line also completed. What is the third line? The number of chairs sold by store B and the number of chairs unsold in store B are 10% and 30% less than the number of chairs unsold in store A respectively. Means sold value of store B and unsold value of store B is depends on which one? Unsold value of store A. What the next line is given? The number of chairs unsold in store C is 37.5% more than the broken chairs in story A. 37.5% more. 37.5 means what is the fraction? 3 by 8 means broken chairs in story A. Broken chairs in story A we are consider 8x. Broken chairs in story A we are consider 8x. Compared to that one 37.5 more means 3 parts are more. 8x plus 3x 11x. That 11x are unsold value of C. Unsold value of C. Next, what the next line is given? The number of chairs unsold in story A is 25% more than the number of broken chairs in story A. What is the 25% of broken chairs of story A? 8x. What are the broken chairs of story A? 8x. 25% means 2. 8x plus 2x 10x. The 10x are which one? Unsold value of story A. What is the unsold value of story A? 10x. Next, what is the starting line? Starting to third line. The number of chairs sold by store B and the number of chairs unsold store B are 10% and 30% less than the unsold value of story A. What is the story A unsold value? 10x. Compared to that one 10% less. What is the 10% of 10x? X. What is the remaining? 9x. That 9x are sold value or unsold value? Sold value. Sold is 9x and unsold value 7x. One will be 10% less, another one are 30% lesser. Okay. And already we know total all the values are adding how much? 1920. In that already we know 4 values sum are. Those 4 values are sum is subtracting. We are get the remaining values sum are. First 300 plus 200 500 plus 240 740 plus 280 1020 are 1920 and 1020. What is the difference? 900. That is equal to sum of the remaining values are 10x plus 8x 18x plus 7x 25x 11x plus 9x 20. Total it is 45x. That is equal to 900. Every x equal to 20 are. Substitute the x values are. First one 10x means how much? 200. 8x means 160. Next 7x 140. 9x 180. Next 11x 220 are. What is the first question? What is the total number of chairs sold by all the stores together? Chairs sold by all the stores together. Only chairs are 300 plus 280, 580 plus 180, 760. Which option? Fifth option. 67. The number of broken chairs in store C was approximately what percentage of the total number of broken chairs broke in all the stores together? What is the broken value in store C? 200. It is what percent of total broken value of all the stores are? Total it is 600. Out of 600, 200 is what percent? 1/3. 1/3 means 33, 1 by 3. Next 68. The number of chairs in store A is what percent more or less than that of store B? What are the chairs in store A? Total chairs in store A 640. 200, 160. Total it is 640. That 640 is compared to which one? Store B. What is the store B total value? 180 plus 140. 320 plus 240. 560. What is the ratio? 8:7. 640 and 560. What is the ratio? 8:7. How many parts are more? One part. 1 upon 7. 1 by 7 means 14. 2 by 7%. Next 69. What is the ratio between the number of chairs unsold in store A and that chairs sold in store A? Unsold in store A. What is the unsold value of store A? 200. Sold in store A 280. What is the ratio? 5:7. 4 5s are 4 7s. Next question number 70. If the total number of chairs sold in store D is 20% more than the number of chairs unsold in store A and the number of unsold chairs in store D was 30% more than the number of chairs sold in store C. The total number of broken chairs in store D is 40% more than the number of broken chairs in the store C. Find the total number of chairs available in the store D. And here store D also 3 categories are only one. 3 categories: sold, unsold and broken. What the first one? Sold value is 20% more than the which one? Unsold value of store A. What the unsold value of store A? 200. 20% more means 240. Next, number of unsold in store D was 30% more than the which one? Sold value of store C. What is the sold value of store C? 300. 30% more means 390. Next, broken chairs in store D is 40% more than the broken value of store C. What is the broken value of store C? 200. 40% more means 280. 240 plus 390. 630. 630 plus 280. 910. 910. Next question number 71. What was the average number of broken chairs in all the stores together? Broken value 600, but average means 200. Next 72. What is the difference between the average number of broken chairs in stores B and C and the average number of chairs unsold in stores A and B? Broken value of B 240 and C 200. Total 440. One will be sum is how much? 440. And unsold value of store A and B 200 plus 140 340. What is the difference? 100, but we required average difference are 100 by 2. What is the answer? 50. 73. Give the clarity on questions. What is the first one? Table are given. Total number of table and pie chart are only table. Table and pie chart. Total number of balloons is how much? 16,700. The given below pie chart shows the percentage of balloons in 6 different stores, and table shows the ratio of the 2 different colors, black and pink. In P, what is the total percentage? 22%. It is split into 13:900. One will be black, another one are pink. Means one is 13%, another one are 9%. In Q, what is the total percentage? 19%. That is split into 7:12. One will be 7%, another one 12%. Next, in R, but here PQRX, total value is how much? PQRST 100%. In the 3 values already 22 plus 19, 41 plus 10 means 51. 51 is completed. What is the remaining? 49. That 49% equal to sum of the remaining 3 values are, means x plus x plus x, 3x plus 10, 3x plus 10%, means 49, 10 difference 39, 3x equal to 39, x value 13, x is 13%, and R is how much percent? 13%. That is split into which ratio? 5:8. One will be 5%, another one are 8%. In S, what is the ratio? X plus 4 means 17%. 17%, what is the ratio? 9:8. One will be 9%, another one are 8%. Next T, x plus 6, 19%. 19% equal to which ratio? 13:6. One will be 13, another one are 6%. Next, in U, what is the percentage? 10%. What is the 10% ratio splitted? 3:7. One is 3%, another one are 7%. Okay. Anyone need questions?